health champion. You know, that is exactly what he is. He has raised and elevated the level of health for our community.
When I think of Dr. Zamora, I think of service and leadership, especially service. That's his motto.
Dr. Zamora embodies, personifies, is the guardian angel of, whatever is the right term to describe someone that is kind of the conscience of what we ought to want to be when it comes to the safety net. One of my fondest memories of the doctor is in the time we were working to pass an election so that there would be a medical school and more Austin-centric clinics, also a new 21st century modern teaching hospital, so much that we all were hoping for. And I was in a position where I needed someone that I knew I could trust and I could seek advice from. We were at a moment where things could be badly derailed, and he and I both agreed that if they were, a lot of people would not only not have what we wanted them to have, but they would suffer. He approached the issue with an amazing sense of calm. He helped me so much understand and learn.
You know, and he saved my life, I believe, when he said to me, Cynthia, you don't have asthma, you don't have lung issues, you've got a heart problem, and you need to get to the cardiologist, and sent me directly to the Otero Husami. And so as far as I'm concerned, he saved my life. He has done the same thing for lots of people in this community. Business owners, people on the street, regular Don Juans, you know, Juanas, you know, all kinds of people in our community. He reminds me of the good old-fashioned doctor who would come do a home visit way back in the day, as occurred back in the 40s and 50s, and I'm sure before that. That's the kind of doctor he is. And he has complete empathy and compassion for each and every person.
Dr. Zamora has definitely saved lives in our community. Without his leadership and volunteerism, there's no telling what, you know, how many lives he has saved. The physicians have always had a history of volunteering their time and seeing their patients, but Project Access was an effort by the Medical Society to coordinate that comprehensive care for those patients that met the certain criteria. And Dr. Zamora was on the executive committee that got that started, and then he volunteered personally thousands of hours of time seeing patients.
I'm just doing what I was taught to do in medical school, taught to do it in residency, taught by my mom and my sisters. Be kind, be gentle, be humble, and give back. Our Lord Jesus Christ told us, whatever you do for the least of my people, you're doing for me. And that's so true. We have to help somebody who's on the street, who may be down and out. Give them $1, give them something, give them some food, give them some water. I cried because it's such an honor, and I'm humbled that y'all thought of me that way.
Dr. Zamora, you are a superhero. You are the person that is solely responsible for saving our lives in my family and in so many other families. I want to congratulate you y te quiero dar mis felicidades por ganar este premio. You are well deserving of it. We love you, Dr. Zamora. Thank you.
Dr. Zamora, I have come to love you and Becky over the years and always look forward to seeing you, and congratulations. This is a well-deserved recognition.
Doctor, I can't thank you enough, not just for me, but for what you mean to a community that many will never know your name. They will never know what you did to make their lives better. You have a legacy that we all should strive for. So thank you on behalf of this entire community. I couldn't be happier that you're receiving this inaugural award, because no one deserves it more.